Hey guys, this is my new project, 2001 Jaguar XKR. Hard to say to me because I always had a XJ8. That's my first XKR. It's a beautiful car. I don't know where I start. I just find this yesterday on the marketplace. It was extremely cheap with engine issue, so the engine doesn't work. The previous owner said no compression in one of the cylinder, so probably needs a new engine. But the paint, the body is just really good shape. I find only two small dents but no paint damage, so probably we can pull out without repainting, but super small. I don't know too much about the XKRs. Just like I said, that's my first one. But definitely have a 20-inch BBS wheels. That's a factory wheels. Not so great shape, but still impressive. And Brembo brakes on the front and on the back. That's super cool. Definitely in silver color. Some updated mufflers on it. The lady who owned this car for the past 12 years, she said not really was louder than normal, but probably, I don't know why, because I loaded this car, I saw the middle muffler still there, and that makes really quiet, this kind of cars, I know it. Oops, I have to lock it. Black interior, black leather, not perfect, but really nice. That's a Florida car, so no rust. Thank God no sun damage, which is really usual in Florida. So that's the first video about it. I'm excited. We'll see how can I get an engine for it.